Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert from MrHardware.com, Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to talk about, quick, it's fall, time for furnace humidifier maintenance. When we're maintaining a humidifier, it's that time of year. We go from summer to winter. Let me show you. In the summer, this baffle is closed. See this baffle here? When it's open, this is for winter, so that the air can flow through this pad from the furnace. See? The air flows through the pad, which has water trickling through the pad, draining away, putting moisture into the air. That's open, so air can flow through here. This helps keep the house more comfortable, lowers our heat bills because our furnace, we can set the thermostat just a touch lower and still feel comfortable if there's more moisture in the air than if it's dryness in the air. The other thing, dryness in the air, or lack of moisture, causes static electricity and chills. So you definitely want your humidifier up to running for the winter time. This is a General 570, made in Michigan. And these are easily changed. You have different models. You take and they're made for the water to cascade through them and not leak out, drain out the bottom, go to the drain holes, down to the floor drain. So here we are at another humidifier, because it's a flow-through. This happens to be a soft media in this filter. Matter of fact, it's wet. It's just been running. And this media is like a cloth fabric in here. It's not a hard one. I like it better because it holds the moisture longer than a hard one. And this particular humidifier doesn't have a bypass. It has a jet forcing the air through it. The water trickles from above when the furnace runs. It floods the pad. The pad gets wet. The air flows through the pad. We get extra humidity into the house. We turn the heat up on the furnace. And I'm about to turn up the humidistat, and we're going to make sure we have water flow. So watch this. I turn up the humidifier. Watch. So when the humidifier kicks on, the 24 volts turns on the solenoid, allows the water to come and flood my pad. So we checked that when we put in a pad, the water comes into the pad through the center and feeds all these orifices, so it cascades down here. There. It's on now. There's currently water flowing through this pad. Once this pad gets saturated, you see water coming out the drain hose. There. We checked it all out. The pad's in good shape. The water's flowing through the pad. Our shutoff is now open and working. Our furnace is ready to run for the winter. So this was kind of a full check of making sure the humidistat and the water flow and the pad are all good when you prep your furnace for this winter's heating cycle. Quick tip from MrHardware.com.